Hello, today we're going to show you a video of Bexam's grid ledger system, formerly called the Proof of Rounds technology, which was on display at the 2018 DOCOMO Open House conference. What this video is going to show is the validation speed seen in our technology versus that which is seen in other blockchain platforms. In this demonstration, there will be a string of phones and tablets that act as nodes, which are sending tokens from one wallet to another on each device. So one device will send a token to the next. Then, when that device receives it, it will automatically send it to the next device until it gets to the end of the line. The servers for each node in the demonstration are located in different countries around the world, which proves how fast our technology is for global transactions. During the demonstration, you'll be able to follow where the token is by the message that pops up on the screen of the devices, and will also highlight the devices for you as well. The first test is a representation of speed seen in the EOS platform. So the test will start, and as you can see, the tokens take several seconds to be transferred between each device. While this may be faster than what Bitcoin is capable of, this speed is still far inferior to what our platform can handle, and doesn't meet the requirements that many P2P applications need. The next test will show tokens being sent with Bexam's grid ledger system. As the test starts, you can see that the tokens are sent through the entire string of devices in a fraction of the time that EOS was capable of doing. As Bexam has achieved a scalable and secure P2P platform that can transact much faster than any other platform on a global scale, we're excited to show off what the platform is capable of soon. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us or comment below.